Hey guys, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the seat covers in the 2018 Ram 3500. It's an awesome looking set in here. This is the genuine leather series style of seat covers. Light gray perforated for the insert, dark gray for the trim with a light gray stitch. Man, it just really popped. The old seats were these kind of plain gray cloth seats. This really transformed the interior of this vehicle. Let's check them out. Now let's check this set of seat covers out inside here. Really cool set, guys. I'm really excited to show you this. So the light gray perforated genuine leather insert. So in the middle section is where you get the genuine leather right here. And the trim side is a faux leather, but that is because these seat covers pull on top of your original cloth seats, and it would no way stretch on top of your seats if everything was genuine leather, because there's no stretch to genuine leather. It just does not stretch at all. So the trim side does have a little bit more stretch to get these on. They're a nice tight fit. I have a full install video showing you how to get these on. But the reason we chose these colors, getting back to the color, light gray insert, dark gray trim, light gray stitch right here. So you can see that contrasting stitch, light gray on that stitch. The reason we chose that was because this truck had lots of dark gray tones in it, some black tones in it as well. And also the other reason is the middle seat section is called the 20 section. The top 20 section is a dark gray vinyl from Ram. It's very common. You see this in a lot of Ram trucks, these gray cloth seats with the top 20 section being in this vinyl. And to match that vinyl, we went with dark gray because this top 20 section is not covered in the genuine leather series. We do not cover like leather on top of vinyl because it just doesn't stretch. So there was not going to be a cover for this. So we wanted to match with that. And it matched up really nice. I love how that looks, and it just pairs really nice. So now the other reason what we wanted to do here is we wanted to bring more color into the vehicle because it was really dark, and so that's why we went with the light gray insert here and the light gray stitch, but while matching with some of the original dark gray tones that were already in here. So it just turned out really cool. I love the colors inside here. It just pops a lot more than those boring original gray cloth seats. They were really boring. And so it's really cool to see this pop out, and just now he's got leather covers in here. Really cool. Now here's the driver bottom cover, just so you can see how it fits on. Really nice, tight fitment. There's that contrasting light gray stitch. I love it when you have a contrasting stitch like that. It just looks really cool. And so there's that stitch there, and it is double stitched. You can see that's a double stitching there for extra durability right there. This is where you get the most wear and tear on this driver bottom as you get in and out. Now, I like the perforated material when you're doing leather like this because it does breathe better, okay? So it's gonna be more breathable. Now, it's also more comfortable. One thing about this is it has a half inch of memory foam underneath this. So you can see as I push in on that, it kind of has you can see that foam kind of popping back up right there. So there's that memory foam that it makes this more comfortable, but it gives it a really nice body to the seat cover as well. So it's going to be a lot cooler to sit on this perforated material, also your backrest, so it's not going to sweat as much. That's the benefit of a perforated material. And now it got a really cool look to it. So it really transformed these cloth seats now into the leather style seats inside here. As here is the headrest cover. You can see how nice and tight it fits on here. It is in the dark gray faux leather here with the light gray stitching. So you can see that light gray pops out, looks really nice right there. I'm gonna pop this headrest up a little bit just so you can see underneath here how nice and tight that fits around there. Again, everything is covered. There's these really cool J-clip system underneath here that clips this in underneath the headrest that just keeps everything nice and tight, and just a great fitting cover there. Again, I have a full install video. Don't worry about this on how to get these on. And yes, these are seat covers that have pulled on top of the original upholstery. The original upholstery is underneath there. Even though this looks like new upholstery, the original upholstery is underneath. Now here's the middle seat. It's called the 20 section, and you can see that this top one, this is actually in the original material. All the seats were cloth except for this piece right here was out of a vinyl, and you can see this vinyl right here uncovered but matches nicely with the seat covers that we just put in. That's why we went with the dark gray inside here. It's just really nice. It's going to lift up. You still have access to your storage, your top storage right here, and also your 3 cup holders are still accessible. So you can put your Stanleys in there and have your morning Maverick drinks or whatever gas station drink you're drinking. Pop those in there. So still have your cup holders. This is going to lift up. There is a backrest cover, so it's called a 20 section backrest cover, so that's fully covered there. That way if you have this up and you're using it as a seat, third person is sitting here, or if you're just spilling your drinks and your food in here, it's all covered, no worries. So cover on the back side there, and then also a cover for the bottom. The bottom this is called a 20 section bottom cover. So the bottom lifts up for storage right here, and so it's a bottom storage 20 section, and the cover fits on nicely for that, so you can still use your bottom storage. Now if you had the non-bottom storage, so it was just a one big piece that went down to the floor, then we have a cover for that, no problem. Now if you have buckets with a hard console where it's not a seat, then there would not be a cover for that middle section in this series, not in the Genuine Leather series. Some of our other series do offer those, but you would have your outside buckets with the Genuine Leather. If you have a 20 section like this, then these are the covers that you're going to get. A backrest and a bottom for that actual, this is where the cloth was. So just think about where's the cloth in my vehicle, that's what's going to be covered. So cloth there is covered, cloth there is covered, the vinyl's not covered. And so that's when you want to match up that color really close. If you have this exact same style seat, you want to match that up right there. Talk to our seat cover experts if you want to dial in which pieces are covered. We're always happy to help you. Now I'm on the back side of the seats. This is the driver's seat that I'm looking at, and here are the rear pockets right here. So you can see just a nice big pocket right there for you to store your gear in there, and then you can see, all right, here's a big old first aid kit. You can order first aid kits like this from us. Tourniquet, Israeli bandage, really cool gear inside these first aid kits. And always good to have a first aid kit inside your vehicle. Now, there's a first aid kit stuffed inside. You can stuff jackets, binoculars, other gear inside there. Just a nice big pocket. That mimics the OEM pocket that you used to have. Really, these covers are designed to look more OEM style. Now if you want to have some more additional pockets for bows, guns, and gear, that's going to be in a different series there you can check out. But this one comes with these large map pockets on the back just for your gear on the back side right there. Now that seat cover does come all the way down. That way, if you're getting your muddy boots up here, and your passengers are getting, their dirty boots, or your kids are back here with their feet, well, that is gonna cover down here lower, so that way it covers all of that, and that way it's not getting dirty down below. Easy to wipe down. Now let's check out the rear seats. So this rear seat on this Ram crew cab is a 60/40 split bench with a center armrest and 3 headrests. The outside 2 headrests are a little bit larger. There's a smaller middle headrest, and again an armrest that folds out of the 60 section backrest. Again, all of this is going to fold and function separately, so that armrest is going to go up. And look at that fitment in there, guys, really nice. Nice tight fit like that. Now here's the rear seat. I'm going to lift this up just so you can see this folds separately from the 40 section over there. This is your larger 60 section here. Bottom coverage. I love having bottom coverage on a seat cover, because then as the dogs get in and out, or your muddy gear gets in and out of here, or your tools, it's going to be so much easier to wipe this down compared to this was carpet underneath here, and that's so annoying to clean carpet. This just is going to wipe up the dog hair, wipe down, be really nice to clean up. Okay, so there's that 60 bottom right there, fits on really nice and tight. We did the matching fabrics, as I always recommend, do the matching fabrics for front and rear seats. So we got the dark gray trim, light gray as the insert, the light gray as this genuine leather portion right here, and Then here's the 60 section backrest. This has the armrest in it that pulls out. I was showing you that a little bit earlier. And then there's the 2 cup holders here. Tucks in really nice like this, just super flush look right there around the cup holders. So you can still use the cup holders back here, still use that armrest if the kids are back here, your guys are back here riding, and that's all still accessible. Headrests, 3 separate headrests to match up with this all. It looks really nice. 40 section, again, folds separately there. Bottom coverage underneath there as well. Again, I have a full install video showing you how to install all of these pieces. So we've taken care of that install and shown you every little aspect on how to get these to fit just like this on your truck. A great fitment back here. When you do the front and rear seats together, it matches up and looks so nice. That is really the way that you transform your interior, is getting front and rear seat covers together as a package. Technically, yes, you can order just the front seats or just the rear seats, but guys, if you're gonna do it, go all the way. Get the front and rear matching. It looks so nice when you have it. You don't even see the original cloth, what that looked like now. It just looks so cool inside here when you have everything matched up, looking good, and still, again, fully functional, and just a great set of seat covers back here. I want to point out a few of the safety features. Yes, there are cutouts for the ISOFIX bars. This is where you actually lock in the child's seat, the child's seats. And I love it on Ram. They make these so easy to find. And on our vehicle, our daily commuter, it's hard to find these things, but they're right there. So you can see there's those ISOFIX bars. You can clip those child seats in right there. Now, seatbelts, yes, the seatbelt's going to pull out right here, clip into the seatbelt receivers. I actually have the seatbelt receivers tucked underneath right now just for some photo and video because I want to show you the seat covers a little bit more. But those seatbelt receivers, they actually pull up right between the backrest and bottom here. They pull through. They're just sitting on the bottom of the floor right now. So I'll pull those up once I'm done taking some photo and video. So it is all designed with safety in mind, and yes, they are airbag compatible. Airbags on the front seats, they have airbags if they are needed to deploy outside the outside section of the seat. If that ever happens, yes, they blow through the seams here, and they are airbag compatible. Cut out. Now, a little note about are the genuine leather seat covers waterproof, water resistant? Because a lot of other seat covers, they are made from waterproof fabrics, and they're very water resistant. Now, this particular set of seat covers is not going to be waterproof because it has a perforated leather for the insert. Those perforations, small little holes, water can get through there. So it's the pros and cons of a perforated material. It's going to breathe a little bit better, but it won't be as water resistant. Okay, it's definitely not waterproof. Water can definitely get through there. So I have a little water right now. Now I will show you that the trim side, this is a waterproof fabric. So this is the faux leather trim that's used in this series, the genuine leather seat covers here. So you can see this, where I'm putting water right here, water's not getting through that. That's gonna be a waterproof fabric, okay? So that section there, no problem. Now, if you do happen to get water over on the genuine leather section over here, now that's a different story because there are perforations. The water can seep through there. Now you can see it doesn't seep through right away, so it gives you a little bit of time to go over and wipe that up. But if you let water sit on here for a while, yes, the water will go through those holes. So try to keep that cleaned up, wiped up as quickly as you can. But as you can see, all in all, this is going to be very easy to wipe down and keep looking nice and clean compared to a cloth. So a cloth fabric, the water just goes right into it right away. So these are a lot easier to wipe down. Dog hair is going to clean off a lot easier. So a lot of other benefits to this, but just wanted to clear that up, that the genuine leather, because that perforated insert, is not going to be a waterproof fabric. Now thanks for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and those UTVs. So if you're thinking about getting seat covers on a vehicle, you need to jump over to coversandcamo.com. Again, we look forward to building you an awesome looking set of seat covers, but you need to go over to Covers and Camo to see more. Again, see more at coversandcamo.com.